Hello folks and welcome to 4 Season Backpacking. Please subscribe for the latest outdoor adventure videos.
Take me in your arms. I don't want to miss a day without you. Let's stay on forever. There is nothing we can't do. And nothing can break us apart when we're together. Facing the sky, we know that we can fly on the wings of love. And we can climb on every mountain top. I never knew eternity was real till I met you. Since that day, I live in a dream. I live in a dream. Baby, you're my angel. I'll do anything to make you smile. With you, I'm in heaven. When you kiss me, I turn to a star. And nothing can break us apart when we're together. Facing the sky, we know that we can fly on the wings of love. And we can climb on every mountain top. I never knew eternity was real till I met you. Since that day, I live in a dream. I live in a dream. We live in a dream. We live in a dream. Yeah. We live in a dream.
It's on a bit of a main road, or dual carriageway. Travelodge at Sourton. I think that's how you say it, Sourton. Is it Sourton Cross? I'll put it up on the screen. Hey guys, I'm now in my room in the Travelodge. Here's the bathroom. Hi. It's got a shower plug in there. It's got a shower and a sort of bath. TV. Single bed. Double bed. 2 light switches. Chair. So folks, I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's been used for the heater, but you could use that as well. So this is my view from my room. It's not too bad. I can actually see a bit of Sourton tall hill, not the top of it, but a bit of it. Not the actual tor at the top there. And of course I can see the cars going past the A road, but I have to say I cannot hear the cars in this room at all. It's totally silent, so that's cool. Well folks, the bed is really comfy actually. Definitely very comfy. The bed was clean, the sheets are clean. When I got in here, it's all neat and tidy. The sheets are clean on the small bed. It's got a small bed there as well. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. I'll sleep very well tonight.